Chlorella is fundamentally one of the most important things you can consume every day. It's 60% protein by weight. It has all the essential amino acids. Many foods have B12, but your body doesn't assimilate it or digest it. Truly, the B12 that is naturally occurring in chlorella is active and fully utilized by the body. The nucleic acids support the body's repair and regeneration. Sun chlorella pioneered a method called dynamyl pulverization process that pulverizes the cell wall but doesn't harm it. And so sun chlorella is the most digestible chlorella on the market. In addition to the internal benefits, chlorella has also benefits for external. You can make chlorella into a face mask or apply it topically to wounds or sunburn. We've even heard of people putting it in the bathtub so you can soak in it. And what it's going to do naturally is function as an anti-inflammatory. It can help us in so many different ways that we haven't even, touched the surface on.